Hello and welcome back to Get Great at Maths. I'm here to help you pass your maths exam, so hit that like and subscribe button. We're going to look at keywords, key formulas and how to gain top marks. So let's get ready to get great at maths. This is a question on finding a percentage of an amount. We've got to work out 80% of 115. Write your answer in the box and this is worth 1 mark. For key facts, we need to be able to answer this question. First of all, we need to follow the following steps. My first step is that we need to find 10%. So to find 10% of a number, we're going to divide by 10. Remember, when we divide by 10, we take each of the digits and we move from one place to the right or move the decimal place one place to the left. It's the same result. Once we have found 10%, we can now work out 80%. So the answer you've just worked out to 10%, if you multiply that answer by 8, that will find 80%, because 10 times 8 gives me 80. So we need to find 80%. So the answer you've just worked out by divided by 10, you're then going to multiply by 8. Next, we then need to multiply the answer that we've got by 8. Now, if you're going to multiply a number by 8, to do this in your head, you can do doubling. So we can double it, and double it. If you double it 3 times, you have multiplied by 8, because 8 is the same as 2 cubed, which means 2 times 2 times 2. So if you double your answer 3 times, you will get the answer. Or you can use the traditional method to multiply your answer by 8. It is personal preference as to which way you prefer to do it. But you can do it in your head by multiplying by 8, by doubling the number 3 times. Press pause, have a go at working out the answer, and then press play when you're ready to hear the answer. Well done, guys. So, first of all, we're going to work out 10% of 115. So to find 10%, we're going to divide by 10, which means that all these digits are going to move one place to the right. Now, this is the ones column. So next to this is a decimal point. So this 1, this 5, is going to move into the decimal point place. So it's going to become 0.5. The 10 will become a 1, and the 100 will become a 10. So this gives me 11.5. I've now got to work out 80%. So 10% is 11.5. So to find 80%, I've got to multiply 10 by 8 to get 80. So I've got to multiply 11.5 by 8. So 11.5 times by 8 will give me 80%. So I've got to multiply 8 by this number. So you can use a traditional method and set it out using the multiplication or the grid method, or we can use this method over here to do it in our head, which will be the quicker way. So we're going to double it, and double it. So first of all, we've got 11.5, so we're going to double it first. So double 11 is 22, double 0.5 is 1, which gives me 23. Write the number down if it helps you to remember what number you started with. Now I'm going to be doubling 23. So double 23, double 20 is 40, double 3 is 6, so I've got 46. Now I've got to double 46. So again, if you need to write the number down, write it down to help you. So I've got 46, which I'm going to be doubling. So double 40 is 80, double 6 is 12, 80 plus 12 gives you 92. So your answer is 92 for 1 mark. So we've done this all in our head by just using the fact that doubling 3 times is the same as multiplying by 8. You can use a traditional method of writing it out if you prefer. It is personal preference as to which way round you would like to do it, whether you do the grid method or showing before working out. Well done if you got the answer correct. Give yourself a big tick. Fantastic work. Well done. The mark scheme of this question shows the answer is 92. 1M means 1 mark. On the right hand side it says do not accept 92%. So if you put a percentage after your answer, you cannot get the mark for the question. So please make sure you just write down 92. You do not need to put a percentage in there because the question was finding the percentage, not the answer being a percentage. If you found this video useful, please share, like and subscribe so we can all get great at maths. If you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Please follow Get Great at Maths on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook and X. What do you want to see next on Get Great at Maths? Please comment below. See you next time.